There we are. Mason and I are working on this. We came in to the church this morning at 9 and found the basement to the church completely full of water. Burst one of the pipes in the basement and we had to shut the water off. We had no water today at the church. Then I had to leave and go get a sump pump. We ran it into the kitchen, but it pumped so fast that it filled up the sink in a matter of seconds. Now we're going to go see if we can find a hose to divert it to the field over there rather than have our parking lot become a ice rink. I went home and picked up Mason, and Mason's helping me. It sucks. So, since we started sump pumping, it was over the doorknob, and you can see the doorknob is now exposed, so that's progress. You gonna try to stop the water? That ain't happening, boy. So we've been out here. It's very, very cold, and we've made progress. We had to go get an extension cord. And we got steam coming out of the basement, and I don't know why. I'll find out when the water gets low enough. It was 6 degrees this morning. Watch out, Mason, it's coming for you. Okay, boy, let's go look in the shed, see if we can find, we gotta find another hose. Jeepers. Yeah, it is.
Dad, if you do it there, it's going to go right back in.
No, it's going to hit the lip there. Trying to spread it around a little bit. We don't want it to fill the whole thing.
It's a little late for that, Dad.
Huh?
It's a little late for that.
No, I mean, it's a big parking lot. It's not full yet. We could charge, maybe to raise some money, we could charge people to come out and skate. Try to make the money back for the sump pump we just bought and whatever damages we have in the basement. So right now we have no idea what's going on in the basement. We could hear the water filling the thing this morning, and it was so much water and so fast that it actually burst the door open. And that's where all of our electrical and our switches and breakers are. So I don't know.
Can we come out here and skate on this?
You don't have skates.
Yeah, we do.
You have ice skates?
Yeah.
Where?
In the garage.
All right, let's go look. Yeah, it's our church. We came here this morning at 9. Hey Mason, can you throw these light bulbs away? They fell out of the back of the car. We came here this morning at 9, and my music guy said steam was coming out of the basement. He asked me if that was normal. I said no. And I came outside, and the water was above the doorknobs, and it was rushing everywhere. And it is cold.